Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Mistaken Mistakes. In today's video, we are going to talk about very interesting story. If listened with an open heart, would give you an interesting insight about how you can live a life full-fledged and joyfully. The story goes like this. There was an extremely powerful king. He always used to win any war that he fights. But one fine day the thought about death came into his dreams and he was puzzled. So the next day he called upon all the wise men in his kingdom and asked them to give a simple solution for any question that he will have in the future, for any particular situation. And the wise men were shocked. They asked, King, how can we give you an answer for every situation that you're going to have in your life? Because every question and every situation is going to be different. How can we give you a simple answer for everything? But the king insisted that he wanted a simple answer that he can use in any situation. So one old man among the wise scholars of his kingdom came up with an idea. The scholars discussed it and they approved that it is fine and we should give it to the king. But the wise old man had one condition. He went to the king and said that you have to promise me that you would never look at this solution unless you find yourself in a situation that you don't have any other things to use in your hand, that you don't have any answers of your own. You should open it and then look at this solution only in a situation where you don't have any other option. And the king agreed to it because he found this to be a good condition. So right after 15 days from this incident, the neighboring kingdom, who was a born enemy to this king, started a war against the king suddenly out of nowhere. Since it was like a lightning that he couldn't handle, the king and his army was really badly hurt and the king was very wounded and he had to flee to the mountains and the other king's army was chasing him. He went upon his horse and went high and high up in the mountains and the road suddenly ceased. There was no more way to go and he could hear the enemy horses coming back to find him. Didn't know what to do. It was like the last peak of the mountain and it was the tourist spot of his capital that people used to come to spend time, but he have never visited the place. And he was there and the road ended and he and his horse didn't have anywhere else to go, and he was puzzled to what to do because he was a king that never failed, and now in a situation he is wounded and he don't have his army with him, he is alone, he don't know what to do. Suddenly with the sunlight the diamond ring shined. He suddenly remembered the solution that he had in the ring, so he finally opened it and looked what was inside it, and the solution was, this too shall pass. The king was shocked for a second and then suddenly he realized everything in the past, everything that happened in his life was a flux. It passed, and this is also a situation that will pass. This is not going to be a permanent situation. Life is a flux. It's going to be past. It struck in his mind as a thunderbolt. He just realized that this is also going to pass. There is no use in worrying. This too shall pass anyway. My whole life things changed. This will also change. Suddenly he became calm. His face became peaceful and he was looking at this beautiful place at his capital that he never have seen. So he thought to himself, maybe this is my chance to see this beautiful place. Maybe all this fight and wounds are worth just because I am able to enjoy this beauty, right? He just sat there not worrying about the people chasing him. But after some time he became aware that the people who came chasing him is no more after him. So he understood that what the ring said was true. That phase of tension, that phase of what's going to happen next, that phase of frustration, that phase of what will I do, just passed. He was just enjoying there without thinking of anything else. And then after this awareness that there was no one after him, he just took his horse, rode back to his kingdom and gathered a few men that he found, and then went back and fought the other king and his men, and he won that war. He won that war again with the limited men he had. He won the war and he came back to his kingdom. And his people were so happy that the king didn't ditch them, but he fought for his kingdom and came back winning the war. And there was celebration all over the capital. People were just throwing flowers over him, celebrating, singing his praises, dancing. And suddenly he thought to himself, yes, I'm a great king. Nobody can defeat me. I'm really great. I'm really powerful. No one can touch me. He was thinking this to himself. And again, because of the sun, the diamond in his ring shined, and he suddenly remembered again, this too shall pass. This celebration, this praising from people, this happiness, this joy, this also shall pass. Suddenly, the king understood that he was having an ego. When he saw that he was victorious and when he saw this people celebrating him, suddenly the ego in him started coming up. But when the ring shined, he again realized this too shall pass. So he again became calm and relaxed, and he just ruled his kingdom, practicing this, keeping this in mind, this simple solution that everything in life passes, nothing is constant. So the story is this. So people, some of you might be wondering what's this about, and some of you might have got it already just by hearing the solution in the ring. Some of you might have just got the insight. So we all, most of us have a lot of sufferings in our life, miseries and other problems. The thing is that we get too identified with them and we think that this will not pass, this is our end, we are going to get finished by this problem. But you have to see it. You should look behind on your own past and see that we have been through a lot of things and no phase in our life stayed constant. It changed one day or another. So likewise, every phase, may it be sadness, may it be happiness, everything will change. Just be a watcher and witness whatsoever is happening to you, and you will have a full-fledged and blissful life. Because even if sadness comes your way, you'll just watch it pass. And if happiness comes your way, still you will watch it pass. So you'll have a beautiful and joyful life because you are not identified with anything and you're just flowing with this wonderful, mysterious phenomena called life. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got the insight that we wanted to give into you. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, please comment what went wrong. And if you want to see much more videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button.